Listen. Leave the stage. Leave this. Move your red shoes. And a Valentine and Mother's Day. We not take no more show. Unless me I do my own show. We have too much song. 29 minutes song and me if come back and suffer with 5 minutes. Anyway, me have Richie Stevens up there and all of that time. I let you say time. So I could have cut it short. Come in, brother, we don't know what on.
Chef Young better than everything we're bad, and we madder than everything we're mad. Next setups represent for Chef Young. Straight, you know the badness. Boom. You know.
I mean, I said the marker represent for Chef Young. If you now watch Chef Young thing, you now watch nothing hear that. Them marker say that. Oh no.
Chef Young, we born poor but we not dead poor. They are Toronto with 3 bad. Me say me there. Whoa. You know the style me there. I'm drunk right now. Chef Young, big up yourself, you know.
Yeah, Chef Young, you know bad this going on, man. The maddest and the sickest, you know. London.
When you find yourself in times of trouble, Father God is there for you. Speaking words of wisdom, let it be. And in his arms of darkness, there's a light that will shine on we. When speaking words of wisdom, let it be. 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 We're speaking words of wisdom. Let it. We're gonna sing again. Let it be. Let it be. Let it be. We're speaking words of wisdom. Let it. It's the music. It's for my ladies, my beautiful ladies. Happy Mother's Day, ladies. Let's go. First thing early morning, I'm gonna pack my things away. We got no cause to look back, 'cause we've been looking for a better day. We're looking for a better day and nothing but a better day. You see the thing I don't love, I said it's not enough, but it's the only thing gonna bring this pain down. After time when we should all make a change, darling. So let go, let it flow, let it flow, let it flow, let it flow. You gotta let it go, let it go, let it flow, let it flow, let it flow. You gotta let it flow, my baby. Damn. Don't nobody want no broke heart. Don't nobody want no two-time loser. I sing it for my ladies. I'm talking to my ladies. Don't nobody love you like your heart till it takes whatever it brings away. We're talking about my ladies, my little ladies. See the thing of it. You deserve respect. Oh, but you can't give me the respect we don't trade down. After time when we should go our own way. See with me. Let it flow, let it flow, let it flow, let it flow, let it flow. You So you see if you know, so you believe in the Most High right now. Praises be to his name, Lord Almighty, the ruler of the earth. We sing it one more time. Praises be to his name. Sing with me, Lord Almighty, the ruler of the earth. Guess what? When I look over yonder, guess what I see? Coming forth to carry me up. Sweet love, but sweet chariot, coming forth to carry me on. Give me the mix and give me the mix. Everybody, hurry up. Who's ready? Everybody, hurry up. I used to think that I could not go on, and life was nothing but an awful song. But now I know the meaning of, if you know the love, I'm leaning on the everlasting love. If I could see it, then there is sounds of music in reggae music when you touch the line of reggae music. Come on, man. Let's go. This is 1989. I was just a baby. So you know. All is real. So much love in me. Someone I can call my own. To fall in love is what everyone's dreaming of. I've always feeling oh so strong. Better talk about you. Better talk about before you talk about. I gave you my word. I'm gonna stick to my word. Believe me when I say it's more than and I just begun. You, I know you do. Know the full intent of my plan, baby. I wanna be someone who what you gonna do? Take it out. Woman, can't keep his mind on nothing else. He turned around, the good things is mine. His furious mind can see it. He can do no wrong. He turned his back on his best friend with all he needs. So I don't mind the woman. I'm talking to my ladies. You know how that feels. I know that you are wondering what's coming next. What's coming next? Take it out, you're too greedy. We're just having fun. It's Happy Mother's Day to all my beautiful ladies in the house. If you have a child that you're preparing to, this is the right moment for you to be here. It's all about putting love together, make everyone feel really grand. So Kings of Kings! Me don't know how to pretend, sorry. Take care of brother, that killed me. Why you so slow, man? I bet every old man should have been faster. No, seriously. So, I want to share something with you, really simple and short, because time is against us. But I'm really fortunate to be here on earth, and I'm using every opportunity I have to be positive to my brothers and my sisters. I have this pleasure to really meet some great guys from the group LUST, and I'm here tonight to just shed a few lights and a few of the songs that they have done, that we have done. So would you mind to give me a hand and sing along? Yeah. All right, so let's go! I don't want nobody come up and change my show, you know. Last time I stripped down my thing, flat, and left it go now. So make me do my show. LUST. And that's over there. So let's go! Don't come up here and change nothing unless I am the boss here. Okay? Yeah, you agree? Yeah, man. So let's go. Give you. It's called a shortcut. This is Lost. Thriller was in the house, but I ain't gonna call him back because I'm off some other time. So, me I'm gonna try and make Ish right here, so me I'm gonna sing them by myself and hear if I don't pass it. So, give me the next one. I can't hear you. Watch you. And you say you love me, just as I am. You always fool. Time is a mother, like Mother say. So, let's go. Listen. Leave the stage. Leave this. Move your red shoes. I'm a Valentine, I'm Mother's Day. Let's go. You see how much shopping you have here, though? That's what I talk about. We not take no more show unless I do my own show. We have too much song. 29 minutes song, and if you come up and go suffer with 5 minutes. Anyway, me have Richie Stevens up there and all of that, and I just said time. So I could have cut it short. Come in, brother, we don't know going on. how it's time for me to give up. I think it's time. I got a picture of you beside me. I got your lipstick marks along my body gloves. Sweet, oh yeah. Oh lady, I got a fist of your emotion. I got a hand surgery. Gotta leave it on. What I'm talking about, ladies. Whatever I said, whatever I didn't mean it. We're gonna move to the bridge after this. I want you back. Whenever I'm gone, just sing with the song I'm singing. You'll be right up on the surface. What's going on? I want you back for good. Let's go! And we'll be together forever and ever. This time is forever. Let's go! We'll be fighting forever with a peace. So to be in a love, we will never be uncovered. It's amazing how you're not me. Every time you come around me, I get weak. Oh, nobody ever made me feel this way. Mothers, you kiss my lips and then you take my breath away. So I wanna know what turns you on. Yeah. Ladies, you with me right now? So I can be your man and more. I'd like to know what makes. Hold on. I see the fellas are getting a little bit jealous. But fellas, I want to show you something. If you pull closer to a lady tonight, you might just get your mama or your baby wrong. So I'm gonna give you a song to pull closer. Alright? So let's go. Here we go like this. Hey girl, long time no see.